self-protection in our guilt and shame, deep in isolation, we cry out your name. When we lose connection with our friends and you, guide our redirection toward the good and true. Nothing can divide us from your sacred spark. We are still beloved when we miss the mark. We regain belonging when we can confess. Help us find each other, help us turn and bless. Source of all forgiving, come disarm our hearts. In the strains of living, show us how to start. As we face our failings, we find strength to pray. May we live your vision each